up in the sky, I float and play, watching over rivers and mountains every day. Come along on my journey. I'm a little cloud, fluffy and white, drifting and dreaming from morning till night. I wave to the birds, I say hello to the sun. My journey through the sky has just begun. With a float, 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 and a gentle sway, I watch the happy children at play down below today. Up in the sky, I gently glide on my soft and puffy ride. I'll rain down low, then rise up high. Follow my journey through the sky. Shh, can you hear? The rain is near. Pitter patter, listen to it cheer. Then one day the wind blew strong and cool. It whispered, little cloud, it's time to change the rule. My fluffy friends all gathered near. We hugged so close, we dropped a tear. With a drip, 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 and a here comes the rain, we cried happy tears on the hills and the plain. Now I'm raindrops falling, oh what fun, tumbling down toward the shining sun. I land on a leaf, then slip to the ground and meet new friends with a splashing sound. With a splash, 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 and a wee, here I go. I join a puddle, then a stream that flows so slow. I float in the ocean, so salty and blue, when suddenly the sun says I've got work to do. It warms me up with a gentle golden ray and tickles me until I float away. With a sizzle, 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 and a goodbye for now, I rise as vapor. Up, 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 I go. Up in the sky, I gently glide on my soft and puffy ride. I'll rain down low, then rose up high. You follow my journey through the sky. Shh, can you hear? The rain is near. Pitter patter, we all can cheer. So next time you see a cloud up high, waving at you from the big blue sky, remember my journey